This tutorial is dedicated to beginners and is part of my step-by-step CapCut series. Please note, some scenes may contain flashing lights or quick transitions. If you're sensitive to that, take care while watching. Welcome to episode 6 of my CapCut series. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to create 3 cool effects using the free version of CapCut. We'll add a shadow behind the character, place a shadow on the ground, and finish it off with a zoom effect that makes your edit stand out. These techniques will give your videos more depth and a polished look without using any paid tools. Let's get started. Effect 1. Shadow behind the character. Step 1. Duplicate main clip. Duplicate your main clip, then overlay the copy and drag it underneath the original clip. Step 2. Remove background. Tap on the duplicated clip. Use chroma key to remove the green screen background. Step 3. Adjust graphics and offset the shadow layer. Go to Adjust, open the Graphics tab, and turn all the color settings down to 0. Once the layer turns black, slide it slightly to the side or downward. This silhouette will sit over part of the main clip, creating the look of a shadow. Step 4. Set opacity, tap opacity, and lower it to around 20. This softens the black silhouette so it blends more naturally and looks like a shadow. Step 5. Add final overlay. Duplicate the main clip one more time. Place it at the top of the layer stack and remove the background using chroma key. This brings your original character forward and completes the shadow effect. Step 6. Apply contrast and sharpen. Tap the top clip. Go to Adjust and set the contrast to 30 and the sharpen to 100 for a clean, crisp finish. And that is it. Your character is now sharpened, and you have created a soft, realistic shadow behind your character. Now let's create a shadow on the ground. Effect 2, Shadow on the Ground. Now we're going to create a shadow on the ground. We're continuing from the last effect, so we already have a shadow layer to work with. Step 1. Delete and duplicate the shadow layer. To avoid losing track of our layers, delete the polished layer we just added. Then duplicate the existing shadow layer and drag it underneath the original clip in the same spot where the previous shadow was deleted. Step 2. Transform and mirror the shadow. Tap on the duplicated shadow and go to Transform. Click on Mirror to flip it vertically. Then tap Rotate twice to turn it 180 degrees. Drag the shadow downward and place it where you want it, as if the character is casting a shadow on the ground. Step 3. Add Final Overlay. Duplicate the main clip again and place it below the shadow layers, which will appear on top of the shadow layers. Then scroll to Remove BG and click Chroma key to remove the green screen. This keeps your original character in focus with the shadow beneath them. Step 4. Apply contrast and sharpen. Tap the top clip. Go to Adjust and set the contrast to 30 and the sharpen to 100. And that is it. Your character is now sharpened, and you have created a soft, realistic shadow behind and beneath them. Effect 3. Zoom Lens. Now we're going to add a zoom effect to the shadow layer. This adds a bit of motion and helps the edit feel more dynamic. You can keep it subtle or make it pop depending on how you adjust it. Step 1. Select your shadow layer. Tap on your shadow layer. This is the first layer sitting behind the character. Step 2. Add the zoom lens effect. Tap on Effects, then choose Video Effects. Go to the search bar, type in zoom lens, and tap on it to apply. Step 3. Adjust the effect. Tap on the effect to adjust the speed and range. A lower speed gives a softer zoom, while a higher speed creates a quicker pop. And that's it for this tutorial. We learned how to place a shadow behind the character, add one on the ground, and make it pop, all using free tools right in CapCut. If these videos have been helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more.